In the previous lesson, I showed you how to do SEO optimization for your YouTube videos. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create thumbnails using ChatGPT. Matthias, is it possible to create thumbnails with ChatGPT? While you can't create the thumbnail itself with ChatGPT, you can get a guide, or better yet, a description of a good idea to create one. The video where I did the SEO optimization was this specific video. This thumbnail here I made using the guide that ChatGPT provided. It suggested including an image of myself, but since I didn't have one, I used a photo from another example lesson. In ChatGPT, you can type the following prompt to help formulate your thumbnail. Describe a viral thumbnail for a YouTube video about, and describe the theme and characteristics of your video. I'll define the theme and characteristics here, which are my title. I'll enter my title and send this message to ChatGPT. Instead of just describing the thumbnail, ChatGPT generated an image for me, an image that I can actually use as a thumbnail, and it turned out really good. But I'll send the following prompt: 12580x720 to tell ChatGPT that I want an HD image to use as a thumbnail. So in this way, you can generate images with ChatGPT, or better yet, create thumbnails with ChatGPT. Now I'm going to use it to describe a thumbnail so that I can create it from scratch based on its descriptions. Alright, now describe a viral thumbnail for a YouTube video about, and then include the theme and characteristics of the video. Don't make an image, and there you go. Right below, it provided some ideas on how I could create this thumbnail based on the characteristics I gave it. Based on this description, I can create my thumbnail using platforms like Canva. I can also use software like Photoshop or Photoscape to build my thumbnail. Matthias, I don't have much knowledge in design to make my thumbnail. You can use the Canva platform, which is very simple to use. You can take the characteristics of the thumbnail type that ChatGPT formulated and create a thumbnail within Canva. After creating your thumbnail, you can upload it to your video. It's important to mention that I created this thumbnail using Canva, so you can see how you can do design work on that platform.